Welcome back, future enthusiasts, to Robot AX. For decades, the dream of a true humanoid robot, a machine that moves, interacts, and assists just like us, has captivated inventors and scientists alike. And while many companies are pushing the boundaries, one particular robot has recently made significant waves, signaling a potential new era in humanoid development: Rainbow Robotics RB-Y1. Today we're taking a deep dive into what makes this robot so special, its capabilities, and why it might just be the humanoid of tomorrow. Before we jump into the RB-Y1, it's important to understand its lineage. Rainbow Robotics, a South Korean company, isn't new to the robotics scene. They've built a solid reputation for precision engineering, particularly with their advanced collaborative robot arms, the RB series, used in a wide range of industrial applications. They even have a formidable quadruped robot, the RB-Q1, showcasing their mobility expertise. Their foundation lies in developing cutting-edge robot control technology, high-precision actuators, and sophisticated sensor fusion systems. This background in robust, reliable robotics is crucial because building a humanoid is arguably the most complex challenge in the field. So let's meet the star of our show, the RB-Y1. Unveiled earlier this year, the RB-Y1 stands as Rainbow Robotics' bold entry into the bipedal humanoid space. Its design immediately strikes you as robust and functional, optimized for practical tasks rather than just aesthetic appeal. A key feature is its dual-arm configuration, enabling it to perform complex manipulation tasks requiring two hands, just like a human. Its torso is designed for significant articulation, allowing for a wide range of motion and improving stability during dynamic movements. Under the hood, the RB-Y1 boasts an impressive number of degrees of freedom, essentially the number of independent ways its joints can move. While the exact figure isn't always publicly highlighted, humanoids at this level typically feature dozens of degrees of freedom, allowing for fluid and adaptable movements. This mechanical sophistication is the bedrock upon which its advanced capabilities are built. Now, here's where the RB-Y1 recently made headlines and truly sets itself apart: its revolutionary approach to mobility. Most humanoids rely solely on bipedal locomotion walking, which is incredibly complex and energy-intensive. Rainbow Robotics has taken a different path, equipping the RB-Y1 with Mecanum wheels. These specialized wheels are not new technology in robotics, but their integration into a humanoid of this caliber is a game-changer. Mecanum wheels feature rollers angled across their circumference, allowing the robot to move in any direction: forward, backward, sideways, diagonally, and even rotate in place, all without changing the orientation of its body. This omnidirectional capability provides unparalleled maneuverability in constrained environments. Imagine a robot on a factory floor needing to quickly adjust its position to reach an object without turning its entire frame, or navigating a crowded hospital corridor with ease. This design choice potentially sacrifices some of the rough terrain capability of pure bipedalism, but for many indoor and structured outdoor environments, it offers a distinct advantage in speed, precision, and energy efficiency. It's rumored that the RB-Y1 can even switch between a walking mode and a wheeled mode, though extensive demonstrations are still pending. This hybrid approach could truly combine the best of both worlds. Beyond its hardware, another critical development that positions the RB-Y1 for rapid advancement is Rainbow Robotics' commitment to an open and flexible software ecosystem. They've officially released a comprehensive software development kit, or SDK, for the RB-Y1. This isn't just a basic set of commands, it's a powerful toolkit designed to empower AI researchers, developers, and academic institutions worldwide. The SDK provides easy access to the robot's hardware controls, sensor data streams like camera feeds, force sensors, proprioception, and manipulation capabilities. This open approach allows external teams to quickly integrate their own sophisticated AI algorithms, whether it's for advanced computer vision, complex motion planning, dexterous manipulation, or even cutting-edge machine learning models. By fostering this kind of open development, Rainbow Robotics is creating a collaborative environment. It enables faster prototyping, accelerates research, and encourages a wider community to contribute to the RB-Y1's capabilities. This strategy could be key to avoiding the walled garden approach seen in some other humanoid projects. potentially leading to faster, more diverse advancements in embodied AI than a single company could achieve alone. So, with its unique mobility and open software, where could the RB-Y1 truly make an impact? Manufacturing and assembly. Its dual arms and precise movement make it ideal for intricate assembly tasks on production lines, potentially even side by side with human workers. The omnidirectional wheels could be a huge advantage in dynamic factory layouts. Logistics and warehousing. Imagine the RB-Y1 seamlessly navigating tight warehouse aisles, picking orders, and optimizing inventory management. Its ability to maneuver in any direction allows it to adapt to changing floor plans and avoid obstacles with greater agility. Healthcare support. While humanoids in healthcare are still a future prospect, the RB-Y1 could assist with tasks like delivering supplies, sanitizing areas, or even basic patient monitoring under human supervision, leveraging its dexterity. Research and development. Its open SDK makes it a prime platform for universities and research labs to develop and test new AI algorithms in real-world robotic scenarios, accelerating breakthroughs in areas like reinforcement learning and human-robot interaction. Hazardous environments. Its robust build and potential for autonomous operation could see it deployed for inspection, maintenance, or even disaster response in areas too dangerous for humans. Despite the impressive advancements, the path to widespread humanoid adoption isn't without its challenges. Battery life powering complex, dynamic movements for extended periods remains a significant hurdle. High manufacturing costs currently limit broad commercial deployment. Dexterity. Achieving truly human-level dexterity and fine motor control, especially in unpredictable environments, is still an active area of research. Generalization training humanoids to adapt to a vast array of tasks and environments beyond specific programmed routines requires incredibly robust AI. Safety. Ensuring safe, predictable interaction with humans in shared spaces is paramount. Rainbow Robotics RB-Y1, with its innovative mobility and open software approach, is a strong contender pushing the boundaries. The next 5 to 10 years will likely see more specialized humanoid deployments in controlled industrial or logistical settings. But platforms like the RB-Y1 are building the fundamental knowledge base that will eventually lead us to the truly general-purpose humanoids of the future. The RB-Y1 is more than just a robot. It's a testament to Rainbow Robotics' innovation and a significant indicator of where the humanoid revolution is headed. Its omnidirectional movement offers a practical advantage in many settings, and its open SDK paves the way for accelerated collaborative AI development. We're still a ways off from C-3PO or Rosie the Robot, but every breakthrough, every innovative design choice like the RB-Y1S brings us closer. The future of humanoids is not just about making them walk like us, it's about making them work with us, efficiently and intelligently. What are your thoughts on the RB-Y1? Do you think omnidirectional wheels are the future for humanoids, or is bipedalism the ultimate goal? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Robot AX for more deep dives into the world of robotics and AI, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.